Find Your Forever Style, a 2025 guide. Hey everyone, it's Tan. In 2025, fashion is like that friend who always has to be the center of attention, constantly changing. But one thing remains the same. Rocking your own unique style is what truly makes you shine. With these 5 easy steps, we'll unlock your inner fashion icon and create a wardrobe that screams you from head to toe. Explore your inspiration mood boards are your new BAF. Picture this. You're scrolling through Pinterest, Instagram, or even those fancy AI fashion apps. And bam, an outfit stops you in your tracks. Create a mood board filled with outfits, colors, and aesthetics that make your heart sing. Mix it up. Vintage glam, modern minimalism. Let your creativity run wild. Pay attention to recurring themes. Are you drawn to bold prints and bright colors, or sleek lines and neutral tones? These hints reveal your natural style preferences. Audit your closet. Time to spill the tea and donate. Dive into that treasure chest we call your closet. Go through each piece and ask, do I love this? Do I actually wear it? If yes, keep it. If no, donate it and let someone else give it a loving home. Think about why you love certain pieces. Is it the fit, the color, or how they make you feel? This exercise helps you understand what truly aligns with your evolving style. Chapter 3. Define your aesthetic. What's your fashion flavor? Now that you've gathered inspiration and decluttered your closet, it's time to define your fashion flavor. What aesthetic speaks to your soul? Minimalist, boho, edgy, blend and create a look that's all your own. Think about the colors, silhouettes and textures that make you feel confident and ready to conquer the world. Chapter 4. Experiment with confidence. It's time to play dress up. Here's where the real fun begins. Experimentation. Think of it like a fashion adventure. Visit stores, try on different styles, and step outside your comfort zone. Fashion is about expressing yourself, so have fun with it. Renting clothes through fashion subscription services or using virtual try-on tools can be a game changer. They allow you to test the waters without making a long-term commitment. Don't be afraid of a little trial and error. Finding your personal style is a journey, and sometimes the best discoveries happen when you least expect them. Chapter 5. Invest in signature pieces, quality over quantity always. Now that you've honed in on what makes your heart sing, it's time to invest in those key pieces that will become the foundation of your wardrobe. Think of them as your style superheroes ready to elevate any outfit. A versatile jacket or blazer, stylish and comfortable shoes, and accessories that add a touch of your personality. These pieces will stand the test of time. Quality over quantity always wins. Invest in well-made pieces that you'll love for years to come. It's not only better for your wardrobe, but also for the planet. Outro, your style, your story, go out and own it. So there you have it, my loves. Finding your personal style in 2025 is all about embracing what makes you feel confident and expressing yourself authentically. Remember, trends come and go, but your personal style is forever. Leverage AI styling tools. Embrace sustainability by opting for ethical brands and secondhand shopping. And most importantly, stay true to yourself. Now, go out there and own it.